students, welcome to MKG Online Study, an e-learning platform. In this video, we are going to learn what is network classification by their geography. Computer network can be classified based on the geographical area they cover, that is, the area over which the network is spread. In this category, the networks are LAN, MAN and WAN. LAN is local area network, MAN is metropolitan area network, WAN is wide area network. So let us discuss these categories of network one by one. LAN, local area network. The local area network is a network which is designed to operate over a small physical area such as an office, factory or a group of buildings. LAN are very widely used in a variety of applications. LAN are easy to design and troubleshoot. The personal computer and workstation in the office are interconnected via LAN. The exchange of information and sharing of resources become easy because of LAN. In LAN, all the machines are connected to single cable. Different topologies such as bus, ring, star, tree, etc. are used for LAN. LAN use a layered architecture. Earlier, LAN had data rate in the 4 to 16 megabits per second range. Today, however, speeds are normally 100 or 1000 megabits per second. A LAN is usually a privately owned and links the devices in a single office, building or campus of up to a few kilometers, as you can see in this particular diagram. In this, there is a switch which is connected to computer, laptop or a printer in a particular office or a building. Depending on the needs of an organization and the type of technology used, LAN can be as simple as two personal computer and a printer in someone's office or at home, or it can be extended throughout a company and include voice, sound and video peripheral. LAN are widely used to allow resources to be shared between personal computer or workstation. The resources to be shared can be hardware like a printer or software or data. Common example of LAN found in many business organizations. Links a work group of task-related computers, example accounting and finance PCs, administrative PCs or engineering workstation. One of the computer in a network can become a server, serving all the remaining computers called client. Software can be stored on the server and it can be used by remaining client. So you can see in this diagram there is a server and rest other are client. In a LAN, its size can be determined by licensing restriction on the number of users per copy of software or by restricting the number of users licensed to access the operating system. LAN components. LAN components are as follows. Workstation. Workstation refer to the individual single computer. A communication capability is added to enable it for networking. File server. File server is a computer that allows the sharing of data, software and hardware resources by running special softwares. Gateway. It assists the transfer of data from one LAN to the other LAN. NIU. Network Interfacing Unit. It is a unit which consists of hardware as well as software. It uses microprocessor to control the access and communication in a network. Active and passive hub. Last, LAN cables or communication channel. A cable is used for connecting the computer in a LAN. The communication from one computer to other take place over the cable. So cable are called communication channel. The twisted pair, coaxial cable or optical fiber cables are used in LANs. Advantages of LAN. High reliability. Failure of individual computer does not affect the entire LAN. It is possible to add new computer easily. The transmission of data is at very high data rate. Sharing of peripheral devices such as printer is possible. Application of LAN. File transfer and file access. Personal computing. Remote access to database. Distributed computing. Office automation, electronic message handling, document distributing. These are various applications of LAN. Next is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. A MAN is basically a bigger version of LAN and normally uses similar technology. It is designed to extend over an entire city. It can be a single network such as a cable TV network, or it be a means of connecting a number of LANs into a large network so that the resources can be shared LAN to LAN as well as device to device. You can see in this particular diagram. So MAN is connected to office building, university campus, government building, residential area. MAN may be a wholly owned and operated by a private company, or it may be a service provided by a public company such as local telephone company. A good example of MAN is the part of the telephone company network that can provide a high-speed DSL line to the customer. So this is Metropolitan Area Network. Next is Wide Area Network. When a network spans a large distance or when the computer to be connected to each other are at widely separated location, a local area network cannot be used. A wide area network must be installed. The communication between different users of WAN is established using leased telephone lines or satellite links or similar channels. It is cheaper and more efficient to use the phone network for the links. Most wide area networks are used for transferring large blocks of data between its users. As the data is from existing record or files, the exact time taken for this data transfer is not a critical parameter. An example is X.25. So we can use this for our WAN. Another example of WAN is an airline reservation system. You can see this wide area network. In this, many points are connected. It may be a building, or it may be a house, or it may be a data center. So you can see this example of wide area network. So a wide area network provides long distance transmission of data, voice, image and video information over large geographical area that may comprise a country or a continent or even the whole world. So this is wide area network. Next is internetwork. Internetwork means when two or more networks are connected, they are called internetworks, as shown in this figure. Here LAN and WAN are connected. So this is an internetwork. Individual networks are joined into internetwork by the used internetworking devices like bridges, routers, gateway. The term internet basically comes from here. So you can see in this particular diagram, WAN and LAN are connected through a router. Thank you for watching this video.